Hey everybody, welcome back or welcome to my channel. My name is Cheryl, the activity author, and I am here to bring you another book-inspired craft video. And in case you new and you don't know me, hey, I'm Cheryl. I am an author and I create easy kids crafts out of household items that are usually inspired by books by self-published authors. So check out my many videos here on this channel and I am sure you are going to love your stay. You guys are just going to love today's video because we have another book by the terrific Tiffany Obeng. This is our 6th time crafting one of Tiffany's books and I am so here for it because her books are so great and they really teach kids about different professions and how to love the body they're in. So guys, this book is along that line. So today's book we have is called Black Boy Hear Joy, a rhyming book that teaches black boys about self-love. Yes, I am. And you know what, guys? This video is coming out right on time because guess what today is? Yep, it is Barbershop Appreciation Day. So make sure y'all tell y'all barber out there how much y'all appreciate them and, leave them an extra tip today, okay? All right, but yes, guys, back to the book. This book your child will definitely need to add to their bookshelf because it teaches children about different hairstyles that are special to the black community and why we should love our versatile black beautiful hair the way it grows out of our heads. Now, don't worry, I'm gonna tell y'all more about this book after I show y'all the perfect craft that goes along with this book, okay? And yeah, this craft is really gonna help this book come alive. So y'all definitely want to stay tuned for the craft and stay tuned after the craft to find out more about this book and why you should add it to your child's collection, okay? All right, guys, so without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and jump right into this perfect craft for this perfect book. And like I always say, let's get crafty. Let's get into this haircut puppet. Now you guys are gonna grab a paper plate, cut it in half, have your child color it, just like you see Kim doing here. And then you're gonna add some eyes. That's all you need because we're gonna do a half a face on this one. I'm gonna show you another one that you can do the whole face on. So go ahead and add some glue on the back of this and then take a black construction paper. I did not cut this construction paper. I'm just putting it right on there. And look, he got a nice little high top. High top, like Will Smith had on the Fresh Prince of Bel-Air back in the day. Y'all know what I'm talking about. 80s baby stand up. All right, so now what we're gonna do with this is we're done. Your child is ready to give any haircut, any style to this puppet, and then they can play with it. So yeah, you can see Kimmy is cutting it now, and I love this craft because it gives kids a chance to like get their scissors technique and learning how to cut. So it gives them a lot of practice with that. So this is a great activity for parents that are trying to teach their kids how to use scissors properly. I had to remind Kim a lot how to use the scissors properly because she's still learning. But look, I like this little asymmetrical haircut.
Great.
Look at that. Little asymmetrical haircut like we used to do back in the day. All right. Guys, you are encouraged to have fun with this. I want y'all to cut as many different cool hairstyles as you want. You guys can put a puff like for afro. You guys could, find some things in the book that inspires you and make those hairstyles as well. So be creative with this. Now, if you are wanting to represent the locks and the braids and things like that, well, you're going to want to do this one instead. So you're going to take paper plate. Of course, you have your child color it. And I poked holes in it and I'm going to, put the string through the loop like this. I'm just looping it and just pulling it. That's it. That's all I'm doing. I looped it, pulled it through. There you go. So it'll look something like this when you're done. And of course, you can make any face you want. And I'm going to actually double the holes. So as you guys can see, I put like 2 to 3 different strings in the holes. Have your child, this is good for motor skills, but have your child do it the way they want to do it. So if you want it to be fuller, put more string. And yes, you can put multiple strings in the same hole. And then of course, style it the way you want. I got a little braid Coolio action going here, and Kim is cutting and styling as well. So you guys can make braids. You can just have it loose and it can be locks. have them cut, style, whatever they want. And this is another fun way to show some hair love. So guys, I hope you enjoyed these crafts that I brought for you today, because there are a lot of fun ways to play. So I can't wait to see what you guys come up with. Make sure y'all take pictures and tag me on Instagram so I can see your child's haircuts and their hairstyles and how y'all remixed this wonderful craft idea. In this stunning anthem, Black Boy Hair Joy celebrates Black boys and encourages them to be proud of who they are. My hair is fresh. My hair is clean. My hair is my crown because I am a king. Hey, now that's just an example of what you would see in this book, of course, when you get it. So definitely want to check this one out. And y'all, in this beautiful, encouraging book for all Black boys around the world, a young Black boy proudly celebrates his and his friends' glorious hair crowns. Written in a language that Black boys can relate to, this book, it includes vibrant, beautiful, colorful illustrations of Black boys of all different colors, haircuts, and styles. This book promotes positive self-images and self-love and self-esteem and self-confidence. Y'all, it don't get no better than this, no. So by the end of this book, your Black boy will be proud of their own hair and have comfort and confidence for years to come, okay? Now, some special highlights about this book I do want to make y'all aware of. This book is available in stores at the I See Me bookstore, so definitely want to check that out. Also, look, this book is a featured book on the I Readify book collection, okay? And also, I gotta let y'all know this book was deemed a fantastic and relevant title by Miss Ebony Watkins of Ebony Kids Curriculum Cafe. So since she likes it, I know you guys are gonna like it too. Before we go, I want to quickly remind you who Tiffany Obeng is. Now, we know that she's a children's book author, but did you know she is the owner of Sugar Cookie Books and Publishing Imprint? As a female of color raising children of color, she writes her books to feature African-American main characters. Her books are educational and named after and inspired by her son. And they focus on various careers and inspires kids to be anything they want to be. So guys, make sure y'all drop down in the description box to engage with Tiffany as she continues her author journey and publishing journey, by the way, because guys, she currently has 18 books. And I don't see her stopping anytime soon. Also, links to purchase books are in the description box below. And definitely follow Miss Tiffany on her social medias and everything that she has to offer. This lady is killing it, y'all. I'm telling you, she got events every week, it seems like, and she's always got something new coming up out of her sleeve. So definitely she is a person to know, or a person to get to know, okay? Oh, and one more thing, y'all. Tiffany also expressed how she would love to be a part of the Barbershop books and partner with Black boy organizations and brands. So guys, please suggest this book to any barbershops, if you know a barber or things like that. Definitely shout this book out and make sure that these barbers are putting this book inside of these barbershops, because these little boys need to see these images, okay? All right guys, so I want to thank you so much for watching this video all the way to the end. Please don't forget to like this video. Now you don't watch it all the way to the end, so like this video. And when you guys make this craft, be sure to take pictures and tag me on Instagram so I can celebrate you and your child's hard work. Also, lastly guys, share this video with a parent, teacher, babysitter, friend, pastor, anybody you know that loves creating with kids. And don't leave just yet, guys. I have over 200 videos on this channel that you guys can continue to watch and keep the party going. So go ahead and click on one of these two videos and I'll see you in that video, okay? Bye guys.